Hey everybody, A. Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com. What are we going to be talking about today? Well, it's probably one of my favorite times, Christmas at Disney World. Do you want to have the merriest of holidays at Disney World? You are in for a treat. Each park has its own way of celebrating, so let's start. But before we start, hit that subscribe button, click that bell icon so you get notified when these awesome videos appear. Okay, here we go. When you think Christmas, you think snow and cuddling up by a fire, two amazing things that happen all the time in Florida. Now, you can do that in Orlando, but you may be more toasty than you want. The weather in winter can be on the cooler side, but it's still Florida. It's not gonna be super cold. During the day, it can still be t-shirt weather, so wear layers when you come to be comfy. Another thing to keep in mind before you come to Disney at this time, the crowds. You may think everyone will be home celebrating with their family at this time, right? Well, no, not in Orlando. Lots of families actually give Disney World vacations as Christmas gifts. Have you ever seen those videos of the kids opening up a box and the parents saying, "We're going to Disney"? It is a very popular gift. In other words, it's busy. The earlier you visit during the holiday season, the better. So, what do the parks have to offer at this time? In the iconic park, Magic Kingdom, the holidays will be in full swing. They even have a special party. Very Merry Christmas Party is a separately ticketed event that happens when the park closes. When are Disney's Very Merry Christmas Party nights? I'll answer that. They start in November and run to late December. Guests can enjoy cocoa, cookies, as well as several other festive treats. Elsa usually drops by to light Cinderella's castle, which Cindy seems to appreciate as she doesn't have, time to decorate the whole castle. A Jolly Parade happens twice and the night ends with a magical fireworks show. During the week of Christmas, these holiday offerings become part of the day offerings, and you no longer need a separate ticket. But that is when the park is the busiest, as several people have come to the parks to celebrate. To help escape the crowds, try venturing off into other areas of the park, maybe away from the castle. There's decorations scattered everywhere from holly to poinsettias. Oh, and don't forget to go on the Jingle Cruise. No, I didn't mispronounce that. It is Jingle, not Jungle. During the holiday season, Disney transforms the Jungle Cruise into a festive Jingle Cruise, complete with all the puns your little heart desires. Lots of families like to spend the holidays in Epcot. There they have the candlelight processional in the American Adventure. Local school choruses sing Christmas songs as a celebrity reads the nativity story. It is a fun sing-along time for the family. However, if someone who is well-loved is reading, the line to see the performance can be very long. I'm just saying, if Neil Patrick Harris, NPH as we call him, we're friends, we're buds. If he's there, you're gonna want to plan ahead of time. Guests can explore different cultures and foods as they walk around the World Showcase. Here is where the International Festival of Holidays is. The pavilions share how their countries celebrate this time of year. Performers share traditions like Latin America's Three Kings to Italy and La Befana. Sample latkes for Hanukkah and soba in honor of the new year. Next, we have Animal Kingdom. You will feel the Christmas spirit in a new way. On Discovery Island, the Merry Menagerie can be found. Beautiful puppets of exotic animals interact with guests as music fills the air. At night, there is a seasonal projector show of Tree of Life awakenings. During the day, along the river, flotillas are seen with characters in their festive attire. You may even see Santa himself. What? I know him! There are also beautiful decor in the different areas with a festive twist. Even the out-of-this-world Pandora. In Asia, the decor is themed to Diwali, the festival of light. Last but not least, Hollywood Studios has a West Coast festive twist with decorated palm trees and lights on the main strip. By Echo Lake, see what I did there? Because it's an echo. Never mind. You can enjoy Minnie's Holiday Dine at Hollywood and Vine. There you can have a meal in a traditional California diner with Minnie and her friends. They are dressed in their holiday best and greet you at your table for hugs, photos, and autographs. Another indoor experience is the Frozen Sing-Along Celebration, where the show concludes with a festive finale. As you walk around, you may see someone special as Santa himself travels down the street in a festive motorcade. Travel to Galaxy's Edge and enjoy Life Day. Enjoy special treats and merch as you take part in this Wookiee holiday and life family, and presents. At night, enjoy a festive projection show on the Tower of Terror. Sunset is lit up with lasers and fireworks to bring out the holiday spirit. Not all the holiday cheer ends in the parks. A tradition in Disney Springs is not only to have festive treats and items for sale, but they also have a tree trail. What's a tree trail, you may be wondering? It's a trail of beautifully decorated Christmas trees. Of course, Disney's creative team decorates trees through a trail that is themed to different properties from characters, movies, and rides. It is a great photo opportunity. The hotels have some decorations and fun events as well. So before you leave, take a ride on the resort line of the monorail. In several of the resorts, you can view beautifully decorated gingerbread houses. Disney's culinary team gets together every year to present these appetizing pieces of art. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you around the holidays. Bye, everybody.